YouTube, back at you again with another video. Today, I'm talking about mirrors. On the previous bike I had, I did some work to the mirrors. I went from the Ninja 400 mirrors, whatever. Let's talk about this bike today. So I've been having major issues riding this bike and being able to see directly behind me. So what I mean is, like, if I'm riding, I only see either my forearm or my shoulders when I'm full tuck. So what I did was, I think I came up with a solution. It may work, it may not work. These mirrors cost me about 30 bucks on eBay, I think Amazon, but I could be wrong. So I'm gonna see if I like it. But so far what I've done was, for the last 2 weeks that I've been riding so far, I had the mirrors tucked back like this to see if I can ride without mirrors. Hell no, not where I live. So I can't ride without mirrors. I have to have mirrors. I was thinking that I can just get some block off plates and just block off the mirrors, but it's just not gonna work. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna try out these new like mirrors that go onto the clip-ons. They look cool. Let's see what this looks like. So the block off plates that I ordered are here. Let's see if I can put this guy open with one hand. If you need the part number, it's here. I'll also leave a link in the description. If I'm not mistaken, I think I got these block off plates off of Amazon. This is basically what it says, CBR. Yeah, pretty flat CNC machine. Pretty basic, man. And then these bolts to make it flush. I have 2 of them. So I'll install these guys today. And then the main thing is this. These mirrors came from Japan. No, they came from Thailand. Oh geez, don't let me lie to you guys. But again, I'll leave a link in the description below of where I got these from, if they work. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I just can't see. When I'm in full tuck, I can't see anything behind me, unless I like fold one of my shoulders in and then I look behind me and then I can see. Or if I like bend one of my elbows down, like towards my knees, and then kind of bend my head over my hands to look behind me. And a lot of times, man, it makes me extra paranoid. I know if you're riding fast, you shouldn't be looking back anyway, but sometimes I do want to take a look behind me before I switch lanes. So for me, I'm about 6'2"-ish, and when I'm riding, I need to be able to see. And when I'm riding, all I can see is my shoulders or my forearm elbow area. Hopefully with these mirrors, I can see a little bit better because it's right on the clip-on. Damn, all this crap. There's a part number. Again, I'll leave the link in the description below from where I got these, get these mirrors from. If you like the way they look. If you don't, you know, I'm just trying them out just to see if they fit. These are the adapters that go onto the bike and the mirrors themselves. So let's just take a look at these mirrors already. Too much talking. Oh yeah. Nothing else in the box. All right, let's see what these look like. Oh wow, they're big. I thought it was gonna be sleek, a little smaller at least. This doesn't feel quality though. It's plastic. It's lightweight, and it's stiff. Okay, this might work. So let me do this. Let me take the mirrors off of the bike now. Just need this guy, and let's see what it looks like. Damn, I'm gonna miss these mirrors. So basically, the new mirrors are gonna go here and here, and hopefully it'll allow me to see behind me a little bit better. And then up here, I'm gonna put the block off plates. So let me just take the mirrors off. I will not get rid of my OEM mirrors. I don't really get rid of anything OEM on the bike. So that way, if I don't like the way something look, I can always put it back to OEM. Or when I decide to sell the bike, I just sell the bike as I got it, like OEM, and then I sell the aftermarket parts just to recoup some of the money that I've spent. So when you're doing this, it's a 5. Just keep in mind that this is a 5mm socket for Allen head. So yeah, so let me take this off, and then we'll try out the new mirrors. Uh-oh, it's getting tight. I think I gotta loosen the other side. Yeah. Yeah, guys, tell me what you guys think, man. I'm kind of running out of ideas for the bike, man. There's not many things I can really do. Yeah, man, it's still some videos to come. I'm just, once these parts come in, I don't know what else I'm gonna do other than track days, which I don't have. I have a camera mounted to my helmet, but I don't have a mic, so I don't really vlog. A lot of the things that I do, I would like to. I just don't know how to set up the microphone. But I do have a action camera mounted to my helmet, which I think is pretty cool to vlog sometimes, so that way you guys can kind of hear some of the things that I see, some of the events that I go to, bring you guys along, kind of check those things out. Let me just take off the mirrors because it's taking forever with one hand. All right, oh man, I'm running out of battery here, so I'm just gonna mount this really quick. This goes here. I'm not gonna lie, this does kind of look cheap. So yeah, so basically this is what it's gonna look like. Man, the bike without mirrors does look nice. It looks clean. But man, I can't ride without mirrors. That looks nice. Damn, that looks real nice. Damn, that looks real nice. So I get an angle shot like that. Wow, look at that shot, dog. Damn, son. I didn't know it was gonna be like this. All right, so now let me mount these new mirrors. Basically, these pop out. All right, so the last time I did this, I think I used a flathead. Let me see if I can take this off. Because it doesn't all the way unscrew. Oh, it's making me out to be a liar. There it is. All right. But basically, this is what it looks like. Smooth. At the very end is like a little like groove. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a little groove on the very end. Once you get it turned to where it's loose, the rest you can do with your finger and just keep pulling up. Comes right out. All right. So now I don't need the blade anymore. Now I just have to figure out which one of these adapters is gonna fit here. Once I figure that out, the rest is easy. All right, guys. So basically, it goes here. I'm gonna use my adjustable. And I'm just gonna bring it down, tighten it down a little bit, just to where it's snug. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Man, I really don't know how this is gonna look or even work, let alone. So this is, oh man, I really hope it does look nice. Because if not, I'm in trouble. Wow, I didn't think it was gonna be this big. That's what she said. Yeah. Quiet. Okay, so then now this can tilt this way and this can tilt this way. As long as it stays inside of this part here, I really don't care. I just want it to stay like here. Like for instance, let me give you an example of what I'm trying to say. So you see how right now it's inside of the bar? I know you're like, man, what the hell? You defeating the purpose. If it's like this, to me, like this, I can't really, I can't lane filter like I want to. I probably shouldn't say that, but I think I'm gonna keep it like this. As long as I can see past me this point here, I'm good. Let me get on the bike and see if I can just see something quick. How does that look? Does that look pretty cool? Or don't know, that looks terrible. Damn, I need mirrors though, man. All right, let me see. Get back on the bike. Oh wow, I can actually see behind me without my body in the shot. So I can angle it up. What? I kind of wish this mirror was a little bit smaller though. Yeah, if it's folded in, there's no turning. I can imagine if I try to turn it right now, it'll hit this. If I go left, if I go right, it'll hit this side. Oh no. It might become a safety issue. Let me put the bike down. I'm gonna turn the wheel all the way and see what happens. All right, so now that I got the bike pretty much on the ground, let me turn the wheel and see if it hits, and it hits. Oh my God, it's hitting pretty bad. Oh yeah, this is, hell no. It's hitting really bad. Let me look one more time. Yeah, it's hitting all right here. Nah, I'm gonna stay with my OEM mirrors. 30 bucks, man. Damn. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna stay with the OEM mirrors for now. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna try these out for a little bit. If I like them, I'll leave a review on the next video after this one, so you guys can kind of have an idea if these mirrors are worth it or not. But yeah, man, I want to thank you guys for watching this 2019 Honda CBR mirror. I don't know, mirror something. YouTube, back at it again. So this is the second set of mirrors that I picked up off of Amazon this time, and these are supposedly for the CB650R, and I'm gonna try these on the bike because I don't mind riding without mirrors. I just have to peek over my shoulder every time, but I want to see if these would make a difference. So I'm gonna install these real quick on the bike, and basically it's a direct fit here. Look at that. It's acting weird. It should catch. It's acting like it don't want to catch. Here, let me see. Yeah, it's catching, so it caught. Just gotta tighten it down. So let me turn the wheel. My biggest concern is the fact that it's not gonna. All right, hold on. That way, if I turn the handlebar, I can still see behind me. So yeah, man, these are not that bad. They're not that expensive. I think they were 15 bucks on Amazon, and I still have my functionality of my mirrors, and I'm still able to ride the bike how I want. Hopefully these will allow me to see past my shoulders. If not, I'm just gonna send these back. I have 30 days. I'll send these back to Amazon, and I won't put any mirrors on the bike whatsoever. But I wanna try these on the bike for a while and see how it's like. So I'll give you guys an update on these mirrors in about 4 days. All right, see you then. I think I'm gonna have to end up going with bar-in mirrors. The thing is, with these mirrors, I thought it was gonna be a lot better on the bike, but it's not. To be honest, it's not. Damn, I thought I had a solution to this only showing me most of my shoulders, my elbows, and my arms, but these do the same thing. The only thing is, man, I wish I knew somebody that had a CB650R, but I don't know anyone that has a CB650R, and I thought these mirrors on that bike would be better. But if you really look at the CB650R, the handlebars are straight and you can see more behind you. But with these being clip-ons and they're angled in towards the bike, it's kind of more difficult because you have to turn these all the way, like you have to bend them all the way back in order for you to see just a little bit behind you. So this is just a terrible way to go. I wouldn't recommend getting these mirrors at all, or the other mirrors I had on the bike. I just thought that, I mean, this looks nice. Don't get me wrong, it looks nice on the bike, but it's not a good solution. If you are a tall guy and your upper body is more stocky. My upper body is a bit stocky, so it doesn't look right. All right, so I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Again, these mirrors, they look nice, but they don't function the way I need them to function. So I'm going to end up having to go with bar and mirrors. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.